So we've had a very strong relationship with the National Trust, as I explained, for several decades. That relationship evolved in 2008 when we were invited to provide a range of greenhouses to be called the National Trust Greenhouse. And out of that relationship came the Mottisfont, the Scotney Greenhouse, the Clifton Greenhouse, which have been tremendously successful, both for us as a business and in terms of contributing to the National Trust well-being and future sustainability. The inspiration for what we do, I think, really comes from the passion for growing that our customers have. More recently, we've launched the Ickworth Greenhouse, which is a cruciform style, which was inspired by the cruciform nature of the Ickworth property. So one of our mantras here is on-site excellence, and it does give our designers and our salespeople great confidence to know that the nurturing and the creation of the greenhouse is in the hands of real professional craftspeople on the shop floor, so that when it gets into the bay ready for delivery, it really has been treated with great respect, huge focus on getting it right first time. So the growth that Alitex experienced in the 90s was born out of a journey where there was a greater understanding of what aluminium can actually bring to the greenhouse world. And I think that argument about timber over aluminium has now been won in greenhouses, and one of the main reasons for that is because we use huge amounts of recycled aluminium in our greenhouses, and they do last forever. So we paint them, and that paint colour will outlast each of us. The aluminium greenhouses you're building today, certainly the National Trust range, really they're not just built for you, they're built for your grandchildren and the next generations, and all of that is very consistent with the ethos of the National Trust.